Good evening, I'm Brian Wilkes. Sean and Jill have the night off. 3 kayakers are rescued tonight. It's new at 11 o'clock. Several emergency crews dispatched to the 4600 block of Walten Woods Drive in Harbor Creek just before 7:30 p.m. According to Fairfield Hose Company's fire chief, one kayaker was able to swim to shore. The second kayaker was rescued near Oak Tree Court after a rope rescue over a cliff. The third victim was found at Lawrence Park Boat Launch. One fireman suffered a knee injury and was taken to the hospital. The fire chief urging people to wear life jackets when they are out on the water.